Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a WhatsApp link to your TikTok profile. Whether you want to share a WhatsApp group link or just invite people to message you directly, this guide will make it easy for you. So, make sure to watch all the way through to get the full steps. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to copy your WhatsApp link. If you're sharing a group link, go to the group, tap on Invite via link, and then copy that link. This is the link you'll be adding to your TikTok profile. Once you've copied your WhatsApp link, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap on Edit Profile. And here's where it gets a bit different, depending on how many followers you have. If you have over 1,000 followers, you'll see a website option where you can paste your link. This will make your link clickable, and anyone who visits your profile can simply click on it to join your WhatsApp group or message you. However, if you have fewer than 1,000 followers, the website option won't show up. But don't worry, you can still add your link in the bio section. The only downside is that the link won't be clickable. Visitors will have to copy the link manually and paste it into their browser. And that's it. That's how you can easily add your WhatsApp link to your TikTok profile. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tips. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.